Hey guys, I'm going to show you some handy tips to get to grips with Windows 10 and things you should do from a fresh install to help utilize everything properly and it all runs smooth. So basically this is a fresh install of Windows 10. I've booted it from the disk and installed it, and this is what you're going to see. Apart from all I've done is install Bandicam to make this video. So also a tip, press Windows key and need to get an Explorer. Before you install Windows 10, as you can see here, I've got a C drive and a D drive. So obviously I've backed up all my shares and partitioned my hard drive. So if you haven't done this, then you're going to have to download what I show you, or hopefully you've already done this so you can install from here. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is press the Windows key to get this menu. Go all apps, come down to settings here. In the search bar you want to type UAC. This is your user account control settings. That's that annoying message every time you open a file. You want to turn this to off, never notify. Okay, yes, that will stop that from happening. First thing I like to do is change the mouse because it's too slow. You don't have to do this, but I find it helps you. If you're a avid user, then you would want to do this. So this part is optional. I like mine on fast. Okay, the next thing, if you're using a laptop, you want to type power here to change your power and sleep settings and your power options. So you want to change plan settings, see? And you want it to go off never save changes, but again go into change plan setting and go to change advanced power settings, and you want to select hard disk, turn off hard disk plugged in after 500 minutes, because obviously if you're leaving your laptop on downloading for a long time, this is going to affect it. Wireless adapter settings, make sure that's all cushy, maximum performance. Display, turn off display after plugged in, never, right, apply here. Okay, right, that's that couple of things up out the way. Right, the first thing you want to do with any fresh installation of Windows is install the most up-to-date drivers. Now the best pack to get is this pack here, which I'm about to show you, which is Driver Pack Solution 15.5, but it could be any number as long as it's relatively new, like 14, 15, 16. So that's the first step we're going to do. See, this is Windows 10, it's meant to come with the latest drivers, but I bet this finds out-of-date drivers to update. See, 7 drivers can be installed, 5 drivers can be upgraded. So that's the first thing we want to do, install and update. Forget these added on programs for a sec. Just go install drivers only. Again, if you need the links to any of these software, I'll post them in the comments section. Leave this to install. Just going to pause the video while it installs. Just to show you quickly, sometimes during the install you get this message that comes up. Stop running this script. The script on this page is causing your web browser blah 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 blah. But you always want to click no. It might come up once, it might not come up, or it might come up 5 times. Okay, and after the drivers are installed, reboot. So I'll see you after the reboot. Okay guys, so we've just rebooted and we're now back to here. Now, first we want to get rid of this horrible search the web and Windows. So we right click on the toolbar, go to search disabled. you want to unpin this icon here. This is the new Internet Explorer, which is now called Project Spartan, but it's crap. You want to unpin this as well, because we're not going to use it. Press the start button. You want to right click on all of these and unpin from start. I mean, you could have these here if you really want to be anal about it, but we want Windows 10 to work like Windows 7 or 8 ideally, and that's what this guide is going for. Drag the top corner. So now, when we press start, we've got something that resembles the normal Windows start bar. You want to right click at the Windows key now, and you want to go to File Explorer. Now here you want to go View, Options, Change Folder and Search Options. You want to click on View and you want to select these following options: Display full path in the title bar, Show hidden files, folders and drives. You want to uncheck Hide extension for known file types. Now you want to click Apply. Now go back to your driver pack and start it up again. This time we want to install the optional programs. I'll show you which ones. If it comes up with anything about drivers again, just ignore it, because the drivers have already been installed. So click install and update. Install drivers and programs. So from here you want DirectX, you want the codec pack, you want the... You can uncheck this is pretty much useless. You want the Flash player, Shockwave player, Microsoft Visual, Silverlight, Java Runtime. You want basically all these on the left except the AOMEI back upper, and you want to uncheck these because we'll get our own programs, and some of these can be Russian in language, which is no good to any of us. You want to start the installation off now. It's going to update 4 more drivers, then install them programs. While this is doing this, we're going to do something else which is very important. So press the Windows key and E and open up the File Explorer again. You want to right click the C drive and go Properties. I like to change this, the name, to Win10. Now you have to take ownership of everything, so if you do this at the beginning of the Windows 10 installation you won't have any problems later. So you need to go to Security and click Advanced, and where it says Owner from Trusted Installer you want to change. Now here you want to type in what you used to create the username of the account. Like mine was NL, so you type NL, then you click check names, and this is me. So then click OK, and then make sure you select the replace owner on sub containers, and then click apply. Click yes. Now a couple of these boxes will come up, which ain't a problem, but instead of keep clicking continue, if you hold Alt on the keyboard, you see the little line under C. This works with any box. So now you can just press Alt and C to press continue. So if you just hold it down for a sec, it will skip all the continue or cancel boxes. So just leave this to change ownership. You want to check the background installation as well to make sure it hasn't frozen like the script error like you saw a minute ago in the video. If you get any more continue or cancel boxes come up here, just press Alt and C. I'm just going to pause the video while the driver pack installs again and we change ownership of drive C. Right, so eventually you will see this box here after you've taken ownership. So you want to press OK, then OK again, then OK again. Then any other drive you've got, like I have a drive D, you want to do the same. Just going to pause the video while the auditing and driver pack install finishes. Okay, after this is done, you want to press again, OK, 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 and then I'm going to have to restart again because the driver pack is finished. So I'll see you after the reboot. Hey guys, we're back here again. We just rebooted. Now there's a few more things you want to do. I don't know if you can see it with this wallpaper, but in the bottom right hand corner here you're going to have a watermark. You should be able to find this file yourself to get rid of it. If not, message me and I'll send you the link. You can set your own custom watermark or you can just remove them all. Right, you don't have to reboot straight away. Firstly, you want to change this ghastly wallpaper. So just go to one of your pictures, whichever one you want. This will do for now. Right click, set as desktop background. Doesn't really matter which one you have. You can change your profile avatar as well. So click on your icon, change account settings. Doesn't really matter which one you have for now, does it? You can change all these later. Here, click this back arrow here as well. and go to personalization, and here you can either have a picture or just a simple colour, or whatever you want really. Go to colours as well. Show colour on start taskbar and action centre. If you click that, it will sort of like give you an arrow effect and merge it. You can also change the lock screen here, like so, or one of your own pictures. It's whatever you want really. It's going to take a while to update, get fun facts more on your lock screen. You can probably turn that off if you want as well. You don't need that on at all. I don't know why that didn't just work then. It should have done. Not sure about themes as well. Classic theme, advanced desktop, and start. This is how you get into this. But anyway, enough about this. You can plow through this in your own time. Another thing you want to do is up here type in default, because Windows is going to use all these new kind of picture viewers and music players and stuff like this, which is not what we want at all. Type default in at the Windows start bar, or here. You couldn't get through the settings. Default app settings you want. You want to change the music player to the media player, photo viewer to Windows photo viewer, and web browser to Chrome or Firefox eventually when you get it in. Right. For ease of access, you want to probably create a couple of shortcuts. So go right click new and shortcut. Here, type in control panel.